Hello, everyone. In just seconds, calm streets turned into rivers. These are real flood moments where nature gave no warning at all. If unstoppable disasters shock you, subscribe now. This escalates fast. Without warning, water bursts through the basement window. Screams fill the air as people panic and run in terror. Fear takes over the darkness, yet miraculously, no lives are lost. Dim rush of water crashes through the windows. In seconds, darkness and chaos take over, tearing apart the room and destroying everything in its path. Why lit tables lie scattered across the room when, without a single warning, a violent. People are working in a restaurant when floodwater suddenly bursts through the windows. Panic erupts as everyone runs in terror, but no one is harmed. In the video, rushing water violently bursts through the bottom of the door, rapidly flooding the room as toys, tables, and chairs are lifted off the ground and begin to float helplessly. A huge wave smashed through the front windows of a ferry in Hamburg, forcing passengers to run from their seats as the boat filled with water. Storm Elenia battered northern Germany on 17 February with strong winds and heavy rain, causing flooding and disruption to trains and flights.